Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll learn how to count from 0 to 10 in German. Let's get started. Let's say the number in English, then in German, and then we'll repeat together. Ready? 0 in German, null. Repeat after me, null. 1 in German, eins. Repeat after me, eins. 2 in German, zwei. Repeat after me, zwei. 3 in German, drei. Repeat after me, drei. 4 in German, vier. Repeat after me, vier. 5 in German, fünf. Repeat after me, fünf. 6 in German, sechs. Repeat after me, sechs. 7 in German, sieben. Repeat after me, sieben. 8 in German, acht. Repeat after me, acht. 9 in German, neun. Repeat after me, neun. 10 in German, zehn. Repeat after me, zehn. Great job. Let's say all the number one more time together. Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, zehn. Now we know how to count in German. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun language lessons. Tschüss.